Hey everyone, welcome back to Melo Investment. Today, I want to share 9 things I stopped buying that have helped me save money and boost my financial growth. If you're serious about making more money and cutting unnecessary costs, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. 1. Daily coffee runs. I used to grab a coffee every morning on my way to work, but when I added up the monthly expense, it was shocking. By making my coffee at home, I save hundreds of dollars each year. It's a simple switch with a big payoff. 2. Trendy clothes. I realized I was constantly buying new clothes to stay on trend. But trends fade, and the spending never seemed to stop. Now, I invest in classic, high-quality pieces that last longer, saving money and reducing clutter. 3. Fast food and takeout. Ordering takeout was convenient, but the costs added up fast. By cooking at home, I not only save money but also eat healthier. Plus, meal prepping has helped me stick to a budget and avoid the temptation of quick, expensive meals. Unnecessary subscriptions. I had so many subscriptions, streaming services, apps, you name it. Most of them I barely used. I reviewed them all, canceled the ones I didn't need, and started saving money every month. Take a close look at your subscriptions and cut the ones you're not using. Bottled water. Buying bottled water may seem small, but over time it adds up. I switched to a reusable water bottle and now I save money while reducing waste. It's a win-win for my wallet and the environment. Brand name products. I used to believe that brand name products were always better. But after trying generic or store brand alternatives, I found they're just as good, if not better, for a fraction of the price. Making this switch has helped me keep more money in my pocket. 7. Impulse purchases. We've all been there, buying something on a whim that we didn't need. I stopped making impulse purchases by sticking to a shopping list and waiting 24 hours before buying non-essential items. This practice has significantly reduced my spending. 8. Tech upgrades. Every year there's a new phone or gadget that promises to be better than the last. I used to upgrade frequently, but now I only replace devices when necessary. Avoiding unnecessary tech upgrades has saved me a lot of money in the long run. 9. Expensive gifts. It's tempting to splurge on gifts for friends and family, but I've learned that thoughtful, personalized gifts often mean more than expensive ones. I now focus on experiences or handmade items, which are more meaningful and easier on my budget. There you have it. 9 things I stopped buying to save more money and build wealth. What have you cut from your spending to improve your financial situation? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on saving, investing, and growing your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.